Good afternoon. It's Monday, March 3rd, and we are currently experiencing very high winds in the Mojave area, making it difficult for high-profile vehicles to travel. If you are driving a high-profile vehicle, such as a big rig, an RV, or towing a trailer, please use extreme caution and avoid the area until the winds have calmed down. Anyone else traveling through the area is still advised to use caution and give extra room to large vehicles. Check out the National Weather Service for current weather updates and wind forecasts, and check out map for the latest state highway updates and road closures. Have a great day, California.